How to create a YouTube video summary in just a few clicks using neural networks. Before watching the video, please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Enjoy your viewing. Hello everyone! In today's video, I will show you how to use a special extension to generate a comprehensive summary for any YouTube video. First, you need to download, or if you already have it installed, launch Google Chrome. The next step is to enter YouTube Summary with ChatGPT and Claude in the search bar, or you can follow the link in the description of this video. Next, click Add to Chrome. After adding the extension to the browser, go to the YouTube page and select the video for which you want to create a summary. In the top right corner, you will see the installed extension. Then, you need to pin it to the main panel. Click on the puzzle icon, find the extension, and click Pin. After that, right-click on the extension, choose Options. Scroll down to find the input line. Here, enter the condition for the extension to work for the summary. Enter any value, for example, from 10 to 20 points. This prompt instructs ChatGPT to create a summary with 10 to 20 points, theses from the video. You can also specify if you want more detailed descriptions for each point. Close and refresh the page. Click on this button to transcribe our video. ChatGPT opens, containing the entire text from the video. A bit below on this page, we have received a summary of our entire video. You can easily edit the prompt. To do this, write your condition for its operation here. For example, if you want to shorten the summary to 10 points, enter the value 10 here. If you want fewer points, enter a smaller value. If you want the points to be numbered, indicate it here. And if you want to discover secret prompts and the best formula for ChatGPT, as well as learn how to earn with artificial intelligence, then watch my next video.